Alright, today we're ranking football players. Mohamed Salah, we got a team in third for I'm a Liverpool fan, so that's it. Ronaldo, number one. He's my god. Well, I'm not. Lamine, he's on fire. You guys think I'm gonna rank him number two? Nah, there I fucking. I'm not the Barca fan. You're gonna rank. He is one of the best, so I'm not gonna rank him number two. I'm not. Rafinha, we're gonna rank him seven. He's not that good. Haaland. Y'all probably gonna get mad at me if I put him second. And the Haaland fans are gonna pull up to my crib if I put him eight. So I'm putting six. Gonna put Copa on the. Oh yeah, Usman Dembele belongs there. I wish Usman Dembele I got him earlier, so I put him there number 8, but peace.